Hi, this is the first look at the new Behringer D-mini. It just arrived today, so I'm going to tweak some knobs and see if the D-mini is a mini-mini-moog. I'm not going to go through everything today, I'm just going to have a play about. So let's put it in unison, low octave, select one waveform. I've opened the filter right up. I have the contour decay on, and the length of the note is affected by the decay here. Otherwise, if it's off, the note just stops straight away. So we'll put that on. And then we have our oscillator, so we have a triangle. The triangle and ramp both significantly quieter. Then we have our sawtooth. We have square wave. That is fat. We have a medium pulse. And then we have a narrow pulse. Then we cut off, and then if we bring down our contour amount, bring up a little resonance or the emphasis. And then we start to get the self-resonance, or self-oscillates even. Okay, and let's get it. We add this noise, easier to hear on the triangle or the ramp, so white noise. Pink noise. Let's go up a few octaves. Oh, that'd be painful. Enough of that. Okay, so that's some noise. Let's move back to then if we put this filter modulation in, we can use LFO, so let's we'll go square to start off, just so we can hear the effect. Turn that off for a second, and then we'll change this so that we're on pitch. Put this so we go, let's go triangle, add the modulation back in. Play with some Detune. Go up a bit, shorten this note. Try the modes. I like that. Fifth. Ring mode. So there you have it. That's the new Behringer D-mini. I'll probably do a follow-up video once I have a play. Thanks for watching.